can't do it myself? Watch me. For some reason, these UTVs don't come with protected beds, so I got a system to install a bed liner, which is a little tricky, but I made it happen. There are some differences because of the tighter ridges in this UTV versus a truck. So first off, I got a brush attachment for my grinder and I roughed up the surfaces, and then I went back with some sandpaper and got the places I couldn't reach. Blow it out with a leaf blower and then wipe it down with acetone to remove anything that will not let the liner adhere. So I had to do a lot of handwork with a brush versus the roller because there are a lot more intricate crevices in this sort of a bed. So definitely do the work, put it in with the brush, even though it does take more time because it will make a more even surface. Then you go on in with a roller, definitely not a back and forth. You got to go in between the ridges to make sure it doesn't pool. The first layer should not be as heavy as you'd like it to be, so it can dry in 1 to 4 hours. And then the second layer, you go in and you make sure that the surface looks as smooth as you would like it to be. Definitely crank off that tape as quick as possible because that stuff is ridiculous and eats through it. And look, it looks perfect and I did it myself.